Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to increase cell size. So as example, I will select these cells and we can type like into example. Now if you want to increase this cell size, you can go to Home tab and then you can click in the cell here. Click on format and there are two options. You can increase row height and you can increase again for column width. Or another option, you can click on the column in here, click hold, and then you can increase the column size. If you double click, it will be automatically auto fit into the text. Another option, you also can click at this point to increase the row height, like this. And you can set for the alignments by clicking at this point. So we have another option again, so you can right click in the column, and then you can choose the column width to set for the specific width. Like I will set into 15, click OK. And for rows, you also can right click, click on row height. I will set in here into 55 and click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to increase cell size. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.